Hello and welcome back to another Gunpla, no, Gundam review. Today we're taking a look at the 1:1 scale plush Haro. Now I apologize for the little bit of white on the sides, but yeah, like I said, 1:1 scale, this guy's pretty big. Honestly, not that much to talk about with this. Oop. Get back there, you. Comes with a Gundam tag on it. Stitched eyes. I do like that the ears can flip up and it shows the hands. I do kind of wish there was a black trim around these just so they match the leg ones, but that's not that big a deal. He's squishy. He picks up a lint like you wouldn't believe. And pretty big. So yeah, really short review, honestly. There's not really much to talk about with this. It's a nice full-scale Haro plush. It is 100% based on the original 0079 Haro, though. I will say it is 100% that Haro. But hey, if you want a plush Haro, I'm sure they'll reprint it again at some point, but I mean, the price wasn't bad at all, honestly, for how big he is. Oh, granted, he is basically just a ball, but it's Bandai, so the materials are obviously pretty solid. The stitching is pretty well lined up. I don't really have any complaints. The stuffing isn't too dense or anything. There are, as far as I can tell, plastic sheets on the underside of the ears so that they maintain their shape, which is good. It's no real complaints. This is probably the best plush Haro you'll be able to get. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.